Today we're going to use a completely different method. A method without a PC where we'll explain step by step how we'll be able to recover our phone since it has a screen lock. Also includes the forgotten Gmail account. As we can see here, we have that little padlock at the top left, and we still had the same blockage we had since the beginning, and also additionally now we are left with that Google account. If that's your case and you want to recover your cell phone without complications, well, we recommend watching that step-by-step video tutorial so that don't miss any details so you can find a solution and recover. We also have other, completely different methods. Method A without PC and method by PC that we have. I left it in that video description, also in the first pinned comment. Come on, eh? We're going to give it all those settings and connect to our Wi-Fi network. The process would be starting. Let's start the process, eh? When we get to that screen lock, which was the first thing we did, we changed our password, and after a while we had forgotten it. So we've made this video tutorial. If the same thing has happened to you, if you changed that password and forgot it, you formatted it, then after it formatted your phone, it took you to the home screen. You saw that little padlock that appears there. Okay, stay here and I'll explain everything step by step so you can solve it and get it back, eh? As we told you from the beginning of the video, in the video description and in the comment, we have established other methods different from this one. We have many methods, a variety of updated methods. We're going to click here where it says, do not copy. Then it would take us to where that blockage appears. We are instructing you here to use a Google account. Click here where it says to use a Google account. For those who know the email address, you can add it here. Click Next, enter your password, and it will give you access quickly. But it also gives you the option to add a phone number. You add it, click Next, and you receive a recovery code. It adds it and it would be the same process. But let's say you don't know any of those options. You're going to click here where it says, Forget. We're going to enable this function with this. We're going to click here on Next. We're going to write this here too. We're going to write this here too. We're going to click Next here. We're going to do this for 30 seconds. After those 30 seconds we will return to the start. Pay close attention to this video tutorial if you want to recover your cell phone. One of the most and faster without needing to use a PC. This would be a completely PC-free method. Well, now that our phone has completed those 30 seconds, now what we're going to do is return it to the beginning. Being here at the beginning, we're going to go here on an emergency call. We will write our emergency number according to their pain, and they're going to wait for the call to drop when it falls. The call, let's select the following. It only works when the call drops. Click here. When the call has ended, it will appear here. Let's try again. It crashed here. We click it again when it says, Finished, here, then we click. We'll give it to you here when it's finished. Okay, we're going to click here where it says, Jump. Now what we're going to do is click on one side, and this little ball that appears here will come out. Then we'll go here to Settings. We select Notifications, we activate Notifications. We'll go back, we'll give you the location here. We click OK, then we click on Accessibility Settings. We enable it, we go back, we click here where it says Google Location Settings. We click on this option where it says, All, the 3 dots. Show if the system here will show us what the Google Play services and this magnifying glass appears. While we're here, we'll write about accessibility. We type the initials, wait about 3 seconds, then select accessibility. We select the accessibility menu and enable that menu. Okay, we go back, we delete, now we write battery. We typed battery, here we selected app battery usage. We select the option that is automatically indicated to us. Then we're going to go down here and we'll select what are the Google Play services. Now it will be there, let's disable it. We disabled it and now we're going to restart our phone. What we're going to do is wait for our phone to completely restart. When our phone has completely restarted, we will have finished the process. Recovery. That's why it's recommended to watch the step-by-step video tutorial so that you can enable and disable all the features that we explain in this video tutorial how you can recover your device in one of the easiest and fastest ways without need to use a PC. This would be one method. Completely without a PC. You know, as we said at the beginning of the video, in the description of the video and in the first pinned comment, you will be able to find those other methods. We'll leave it at that, PC-based methods and non-PC methods. Now that we're here in this section, let's go back a bit. We're going to click here to continue without. We click accept and continue, now the screen will be flashing here. Okay, let's go back, let's tap the 3 dots. We give you accessibility here. We select the magnifying glass, here we will write battery. We write the initials, we wait 3 seconds. Then we use batteries here. Then the option that is automatically indicated to us. We select it and then we go to search for Google Play services. We'll enable those services, once they're enabled. We gently move back, gently backwards. Not having any SIM card entered on the phone. Then they'll click here where it says, Continue offline. Accept and continue, it now takes you to Google services, click accept. They give it to you here when you jump. We wait a few seconds, we say not now, not now, not now and not now. We click next, then we click finish. Now that we've finished this whole process, what we're going to do is, it's about going to what's called settings, then to system or about phone. And we're going to reset our phone so that we don't have any errors left.